Alright y'all, so check it out. I'm at work today and me and Sa's gonna do a mukbang. I'm gonna do a prank mukbang. I'm going to annoy the dog poop out of her. Yes, the shit's naive. And I'm gonna see how far it's gonna go before she really gets pissed and wanna turn the camera off and really snap over me. So stay tuned and stay blessed. Power to the people.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hey everybody.
I want that.
See it. Yes. Shut up, Sam. Don't ruin it.
Dog.
Don't ruin it. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Sa.
It's Sammy.
And we're back, y'all.
Yes, sir.
And today we have sushi. We have a sushi mukbang. I've been craving sushi for the past few weeks.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have.
Since when?
Why do I have to tell you that I'm craving sushi when you don't even eat sushi?
Because normally you'll say, I'm craving sushi.
No, I don't. That's not something
She lied.
I do.
She lied.
So before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe.
I know we've been tripping, man. We done had some fun in the sun and been busy, you know. And we back. What's up?
So, what do we have here, Sammy? Because Sammy went to go pick up the
All
stuff.
right. What we have here is sushi. We have crab and shrimp, pakora.
No, I'm sure it's not pakora.
This is the
that's
shrimp
an
pakora.
Indian.
It's like this. It was something pea.
Tempura.
Tempura. Yeah.
I'm like, a pakora is like an Indian
Chill,
fritter.
You don't know that.
That's
So
what I
we got
do.
shrimp tempura. We got lobster something with some eggs in it. Oh, God, I ain't.
Why you gonna curse?
What?
Don't curse.
I'm a grown man.
Yeah, but we don't curse on our channel.
I'm a grown man.
Sammy, all that's getting edited out. Please
No, it's
stop.
not.
Yes, it is. Come on.
Come on, stop playing with me, y'all.
Come on, say what we
And
got.
then we got some smoked salmon. She wanted that, and I think this is the lobster avocado po or roe, something like that. And this one's the
You just don't know.
all I know is that got
Yeah.
some baby
Hell no.
eggs, some baby fish eggs in it.
Hell no, let's put it like that. Cause I'm ready to get in. I'm hungry.
I got some teriyaki sauce, y'all.
And then we also have, as you guys can see, some ginger and wasabi. And then I have some 2-time spicy sauce. Oh, that is thick.
That's good, yeah. We gonna put that to the side.
That ain't even look right.
Yeah, we got another bowl over there I can use for the soy sauce.
Yeah. There you go.
We got some soy sauce.
For my 2 times.
You always using that nasty behind 2-time sauce. Like, what's
This
up
one
with
ain't
you?
even open yet.
Exactly, like, what's wrong with you?
Cause I like 2-time spicy sauce.
It's not even that good.
It is to me. Why is it not? Ew, and it's not even.
Boy, do we have a story for y'all.
We do?
Yup. It involves Priceline
Oh goodness. I don't want to talk about Priceline.
and their poor customer service.
You sure you want to reveal you?
What are you talking about? Priceline could have been anywhere.
So, got the 2-time spicy sauce in there. I'm gonna hit it with some wasabi. Now, don't laugh at me with these chopsticks. I'm not a professional.
Ain't a professional at nothing. Oh yeah, and I got some cherry vanilla, y'all. I don't know what this joint tastes like. We about to see though.
Yeah, hurry and pour some in my cup.
No. You gotta wait. Oh.
Karma.
Karma what? Karma in San Diego?
Hurry up, I'm home. I'm thirsty and
Bro.
I'm hungry.
Just drink your spit. Like, what's up with you?
Let me see what this tastes like. I don't know if you guys can see that.
You gonna lift it up so they can see the bubbles? Come on, man. Why ain't you got your makeup on? You looking real nutty right now.
Amy, please stop it. You're making me have to edit all this unnecessary stuff.
Is it good?
Yeah.
And you want to stop editing me out, man. Sometimes they just want to see Sammy act like a fool. You feel me? Ain't that right, y'all?
This wasabi with the 2-time spicy sauce. That's next level, man. I may have to use that in the challenge.
Oh, that's good. All right, I know I like me some ginger, y'all. What's up with y'all, man? What's going on? Sound off in the comments, man.
Yeah.
Let me know how y'all week was, weekend.
Yeah, how y'all been?
How y'all miss us? How we drawn for being? It's all Saida's fault. Keep it a buck, but we ain't gonna get on to that.
That is not the truth. Well,
I got cream cheese in it. That's gonna rock.
One of the reasons why y'all don't see videos from us is because we work on totally different schedules right now. And
She lying. She's BSing.
can you please stop? I'm not lying. It's the truth.
Stop. Why you cussing?
Because you're irritating me. Stop contradicting
Can
me.
you stop cussing? Why you got your makeup on, man? You know how I like it with your makeup on.
Stop messing with me. Stop, stop.
Stop what? Listen,
So I feel like you're messing with
I
me.
ain't been here in a minute. I'm trying to show my hair.
Yeah, so we work totally different schedules.
I think that's the lobster. It look like maggots.
The hell? Well, come on. We eating this.
You don't like the word maggot?
No, I don't want to look at my food like that while I'm eating something with rice in it. And this is the lobster right here. It has the looser. That's correct.
See now.
But we're working 2 different schedules, and when I was doing the videos just by myself, I got so many comments about people like, oh, where's Sammy? Where's Sammy? So it was just like, well, maybe.
Because you're making weird food.
So maybe I'll just record with Sammy. So no solos or a lot of videos with Shadi, our daughter. This is so good. We didn't do a thumbnail.
Yo, stop touching me.
We didn't do a thumbnail.
I got that shoddy smile.
Why are you acting stupid?
I ain't hold you. I took a energy drink earlier. That y'all got me on fire.
Yeah, I feel like you messing with me right now. But you're not gonna kill my vibe. Because I'm eating sushi.
Bitch, don't kill my vibe. And I'll call you back. All the time. Yo, you see all them celebrities?
I don't want to hear it.
What?
Don't even talk to me. Just smile and wave, boys. Just smile and wave. All them celebrities what?
Excuse me? What they call this?
What, the orange stuff?
Yeah.
I don't know. I know it's like caviar or
Yeah,
something.
caviar.
But I don't think it's called caviar.
I don't know why people like it. Was it escargot or something?
No, that's a snail.
What's escargot?
A snail.
Speaking of snails.
I saw a slug out in my garden.
Did you pour salt on it?
No, I'm gonna shoot the whole garden away though.
Wow.
I ain't into the whole.
You want to talk about me talking about maggots, you want to talk about a whole slug.
Well, you brought up the snail first.
I brought escargot. You ain't have to say it was snail. You could lie to me.
Ooh. That was really, really good, y'all. If you guys have never tried sushi before,
That joint about to rock.
y'all better get on it. And if you do, comment down below your favorite sushi roll so we can try it out.
For the Muslims, today I fast for a day of Arafah and Eid Kareem, inshallah.
That is so good. Eat Kareem. I'm sorry, I was stuck on that cream cheese that was in there. Did you try one of the lobster rolls?
I don't think I did. Was it good?
My mouth is on fire. Yeah, it's just a little loose.
My mouth always on fire.
The
That
lobster
joint
is wet.
Hot breath. It's gonna be roasting. Why you looking at me like that? Is that cooked?
Yeah, it's cooked. It's just cold. This don't falling apart.
You see, I ain't touched that smoked salmon.
Well, now you gotta check it. So you brought
Actually,
it
I
up.
did. I forgot.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yo, stop playing with me, though. I'm not touching that.
No, you didn't.
Bro, I'm not touching that.
Oh my god, why is it so good?
What?
Everything.
Man, I'm not eating that, bro.
Here, baby, come on.
Yo, stop playing with me.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Saida, for real.
Come on.
I'm not eating that.
My mouth is on fire with the wasabi.
Do it for the gram.
Do it for the gram.
Do it for the gram.
Do it for the gram. Hey.
Do it for the gram.
Hey. Do it. Here.
I need some sauce. And I need some ginger.
Chew. Chew. Make do it for the gram. Do it for the freaking gram. Do it for the gram. Stop playing. Eat it.
It's raw.
It's not raw. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Oh my God, you're so whack.
The hell?
It's not even raw.
It's raw.
It's not raw.
It's pink as hell. What are you talking about?
Sushi's pink.
You gonna eat that?
No, it's in your mouth. Get out of here.
What that got to do? There's a lot of stuff to be in my mouth.
What?
It's like Fear Factor. Why does it smell like that?
Could you put ginger on it?
Oh, you like that?
It's really good.
It was a weirdo.
Yeah, all that for nothing. Look, it's good.
It's not nasty shit. So I wasn't gonna take this one. I'm playing me, dog. Come here.
I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing to this video, y'all. So if it's a little choppy, it's because Sammy keeps using the S word.
That's weird. You could just eat. What's wrong with you, dog?
I feel like you playing with me right now. But good vibes only.
Michael. What you think about these?
Sammy.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah, I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it rock. I'm gonna let it rock out.
Yo, you see these Joes? Them Joes is fire.
Oh, I don't like them.
They joined that work got them for me. Sarah do come better.
So how have you guys been? Really, sound off below, comment down below, because we've been going for like 10 days, 11 days, trifling as ever.
That's all you, bro. I've always been ready. Yo, man, for those who don't know how to use chopsticks, fill for me, please.
Are you gonna put that all in your mouth? Oh, you took the tail off?
Yeah, I took the tail off.
Okay, I'm full.
It's definitely like cooked food.
Cooked food. I feel like you're trying to be funny today, and
I told you, I drunk some what's your name. I'm hype as hell right now.
yeah, it's not really hype. I feel like you're being disrespectful, and I'm trying to be.
How,
You know, I haven't seen you that
that's
much.
how I'm
So I'm
always
trying to be
doing that.
nice.
That's how I'm always.
No, you're not. I think you're like on steroids right now. Like that's
I
you're
do
like
be going ham at the gym. You never
no,
know.
you're literally doing too much.
I'm not doing nothing.
And I'm trying to be on my best behavior. Because everybody in the comments always be talking about how
you be drawn?
Mhm.
She do. You be drawn.
I'm so mean to
Just like
him.
the one John said you was mean, I totally agree. I absolutely agree. She be drawn. What?
Spit the food out from
That cream cheese, bang.
You pick up that phone one more time.
Oh, no.
Stop. We're about to end this video. I'm gonna have to edit this video, chop out a whole bunch of stuff.
Hold on. Check it out. I'm at work today, and me and Sean's going to do a mukbang. So I'm going to do a prank mukbang.
I knew it had to be a prank because I'm like, yo, because you kept cursing and you kept doing a little bit too much, and I said something ain't right here, but I'm
It's
not
a prank,
gonna,
y'all.
Yeah, I
hopped on the prank train. I ain't gonna hold you.
Because I was gonna kick your ass.
I said I'm gonna irk the hell out of her today.
I'm full. I don't even want to. I knew something was right. You don't. But I wanted sushi though. Like I was. You don't understand how bad I wanted sushi.
You trying to mess it up? Right?
Yeah, because you kept acting like a dang going butthole. This is how he is all the time. Don't think that this is a prank.
It's definitely a prank.
No.
Bro, you're lying.
This is how he treats me.
That's a lie.
Fuck out of here. He always treats me.
You're in
Okay, the prank is up. You're annoying me. So, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give us a big thumbs up. Comment down below.
Sooner.
Comment down below. And hit the subscribe button. Join the family. And when you do so, please let us comment down below that you did it so we can give you a shout out in our future videos. Right here. So.
I'm sorry, babe. I was playing.
Yeah, I was gonna kick you. I swear to God, I was like, cut.
I was waiting for her to start swinging on me, but she knows how to chill.
Yeah, I was like, hold up, I ain't trying to mess up the whole video. We done got this sushi. Let me chill. Let me chill. The shout out for this video goes to this person right here. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting the bell notification and being notified when we upload new videos. So until next time, family, that means you, and
your mother,
you,
father too.
And your mama too. And your mama too.
You definitely lagging.
Hit the subscribe button. I ain't doing it so long I forgot. And then you threw me off for all your ignorance.
Bro, it was just a prank. It was just a little jokey joke.
You think everything fun.
It's just a little jokey joke.
So until next time, family. Peace out.
I'm gonna try some of this wasabi. Motherfucking, yo, chill.
Don't do that again.
Motherfucking deuces. You smack me one more time, bro. Be rumbling. What's up?
I ain't playing. Don't do that shit no more.
I
was like, something gotta be up here because I'm about to kick his ass and he messing me up.
Stop cussing, dog. Like, seriously.
You was cursing the whole time.
Bro, it was a prank, so it didn't count. Oh, shit.
And then you got to turn the burp.
Yo, it was wasabi crazy.
Yeah.